Would you like to disconnect your smartphone or device on the Bluetooth connected list of your Audi, but you are not sure how to do so? No problem. Just watch this video and I will show you in a few simple steps how to disconnect your smartphone or device on the Bluetooth connected list of your Audi. But first, help us grow this channel by clicking on the subscribe button. Start your Audi. Go to the Audi MMI menu and click on Telephone. Click on Settings via this button. Scroll down to Bluetooth. Go to Bonded Bluetooth devices. Click on the device you would like to delete. If you would like to delete this device, click on Delete Bluetooth device. A new notification will pop up with a request if you are sure to delete this device. Click on Yes if you are sure to delete the connection of this device with your Audi. The Audi MMI will now delete the connection with the device. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to click on the subscribe button to see more VAG Car Tutorials.